So this is the Tango Towers Tannoy system, and it's not actually Tannoy at all, but I say that so people know what we're talking about. It's Toa based. But if you remember, we did that Fidelity 1000. The idea is to plug it into the Tannoy system, and I was going to demonstrate it, and blow me, it's XLR, isn't it? And I've got phono, so I'm going to have to get an adapter. So next to this is an airing cupboard, and it isn't in use. The hot water in there isn't in use. So I have put the Fidelity base station in a fit and forget position, because the idea is it's going to be sat on channel 31. I want it to have about 1.5 miles range. We've shoved an aerial in the loft, and we've got a pretty rubbish SWR of about 2.8 to 1. Can you see how bothered I look? The idea is if it'll do 1.5 miles, then it fulfills what we want. We want people to be able to liaise with us from local distance, and also around the outbuildings. So if we go into the airing cupboard now, so there we are. We have, I was trying it with a matcher, but we'll see. Here we go. Tango 21 is to Chippy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, we're recording.
Roger that. Right, we're coming up to Under Lane.
Roger, well I can still read you.
Good. Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Which no doubt is shut.
Correct.
Roger. So that puts him 2/3 of a mile away. So the idea is if we can get him to this to work to the top of the hill, then we've cracked it.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. You're already very noisy to me.
Roger, that's fine.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Are you still reading me over?
Yep, not too bad at the top of the hill.
Roger. That might be it. Mm-hmm. Roger, Tango 21 responding. I have you going round Scratchy Corner. I have you going round Scratchy Corner. Over.
Yeah, I'm just about hearing you. Just about. I think definitely did Scratchy Corner. So there you go.
Roger on that. We will try the next one, Wilsford. Level crossing.
Not quite sure what you said. I will call in from the other point.
Roger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. I think that's all we're going to get out of him, which is 3 miles, which more than fulfills what we've installed this for. So I think he's going to carry on talking, but there's no point. We'll bring this to a close. So that's what the plan is. So the idea is that sometimes when people say I want to meet you at your QTH, not everybody is a radio amateur, not everybody can get onto our 77's repeater, and we sometimes need to liaise with CB radio. So it's quite convenient if we can hear people calling over the Tannoy system through the 22 loudspeakers around the house, workshops, outside, jacuzzi, everything. That is the plan. So this will be plugged in to the Tannoy system's input, and it'll just automatically fade down the background music on the system, because the system does that kind of thing, and it'll put over this instead. And it just means that we can go to a radio and call somebody back. So that's the plan. And I wanted this to work for 1.5 miles, and it's actually working for 3. So that's what a loft aerial does, because you see what we normally do, and it normally romps in, doesn't it, from there. But there's the difference. And so there we are. So it's a Fidelity 1000 finally installed. Just messed up with ordering the wrong kind of connector lead, so we'll just get an adapter so we can plug it in through the XLR connector, and we've done it. And there's only 2 base stations I'm aware of with tape recorder output sockets, which is what we're using, and one is, because you can't go from an extension speaker socket into a low level system without a lot of attenuation. We're not to kill an expensive system, do we? So you need something which is at line level, so the tape recorder sockets are ideal. So there's this, and then there's the grandstand stroke Atron stroke Wagner base stations. Is the 506. But this, as you know, was £15. We sorted it out, and I bought this to do this, and this is what it does. So we've cracked it. So there you have it, the Fidelity CB3000, just about installed on the Tannoy system, but not quite. Thanks for watching.